Hello everyone and welcome back to our videos. In the last video we talked about the types of drawing and we start with two types of drawing and they are the working drawings and the sectional drawing, and we talked about them and their types and we have an example of them. Today we will complete talking about the types of drawing, and we will talk about the third type of the drawing, and it's called exploded view drawing. This exploded view drawing used to show every part in an assembly, like this. Here we have the assembly and we have every individual part of this construction. And in the exploded, you have to notice you can find the part number of every part. The fourth type of drawing is called block diagrams. This type of drawing used to aid you in locating problems. That means like troubleshooting. And here we have this an example of block diagram. The fifth type called logic flow charts. The logic flow chart used in troubleshooting. In most flow chart, rectangular box explain a procedure, while diamond identify question that require a specific answer. And we will say the rectangular, and you have to focus in the rectangular. It talk about to explain a procedure, and the diamond we will see it that make a question and that needs to answer. Here we have the logic flow chart. As we talked, the rectangular it will explain a procedure, while the diamond it will make a question that needed to answer yes or no. Like this, we have an aircraft power light. If it's on, we have another question. If doesn't work, we have another question. So this flowchart used mostly in troubleshooting. The sixth type called electrical wiring diagram. This electrical wiring diagram specifies things like the size of wire and types of terminal used. And this is an example of the electrical wiring diagram. Number 7, pictorial diagram. This type use a picture of components instead of symbols. Often used in pilot's handbook and the training manuals. And this the pictorial diagram. Instead of use a symbol of battery, we have a picture of the battery to make clarify for the captain and specify the things like they are in neutral. Number 8. Schematic diagrams. This type used to illustrate principle of operation in a system. Like this. It specifies the operation of the things or the components. Like here. This identifies the low oil pressure. When we say this color, we have a low oil pressure, while the high oil pressure is specified after it comes to the gear pump and goes. When it will go out from the gear pump, the oil, as they specify here, it will be high. After that, this color identifies the return flow without an feedering system. This the unfeathering system. After that, this color, the brown one, oil flow with unfeathering system, and this the brown number. So this type used to illustrate the operation of the components.